If you own a business and want customers to find it through Google Maps and Google Search, adding your business listing is an important step. A verified business profile can help people discover your location, view your contact details, read reviews, and get directions directly from Google Maps. To begin, open Google Maps in your browser and search for your business name. This helps you determine whether a listing already exists. In some cases, Google may have automatically created a business entry based on publicly available information. If you don't find your business, open the menu located in the top left corner of Google Maps. From the available options, select Add Your Business to Google Maps. Google will then guide you through the business registration process. If you aren't already signed in, you'll be asked to log in using a Google account. Next, enter your business name exactly as you want it to appear to customers. Choose the category that best describes your business, since this helps Google show your listing to relevant users. You'll then be asked to provide your business address. Make sure the location information is accurate because customers will use it for directions and navigation. Depending on your business type, you may also be able to add a phone number, website, business hours, and additional details that help customers learn more about your services. Once the required information has been entered, Google will ask you to verify ownership of the business. Verification methods can vary and may include phone, email, video verification, or mail-based verification depending on the circumstances. After verification is completed, submit your business information for review. Google will process the listing, and once approved, it can begin appearing in Google Maps and Google Search results. Keeping your business profile updated is important. Accurate hours, contact information, photos, and descriptions can improve visibility and provide a better experience for potential customers. Adding a business to Google Maps is one of the simplest ways to increase online presence and help people find your location more easily. And that's how you add a business to Google Maps. Search for your business, choose Add Your Business to Google Maps, complete the profile information, verify ownership, and submit your listing for approval.